How can I prevent my jersey from shrinking in the dryer?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to tackle a common laundry problem that a lot of us have had to deal with: how to prevent your favorite jerseys from shrinking in the dryer. With these easy tips and tricks, we can ensure that your jersey stays the same size, wash after wash. Jersey care is all about understanding your garment's needs and taking the right steps to preserve its quality and fit.
What causes a jersey to shrink?
To prevent shrinking, we first need to understand why it happens. In most cases, jerseys shrink because of the high heat used during the drying process. The heat can cause the fibers in the jersey to tighten up, which results in the garment appearing smaller. Synthetic fibers, like those often used in sports jerseys, can also melt or deform under high heat.
Check the care label.
The first and most essential step to prevent your jersey from shrinking is to check the care label. The manufacturer provides specific washing and drying instructions that, if followed correctly, will help maintain the size and integrity of the jersey. If it says, "Do not tumble dry," or "Lay flat to dry," make sure to follow these instructions to prevent shrinkage.
Washing the jersey.
When washing your jersey, it's typically best to use cold water and a gentle cycle. Hot water can cause the fibers to contract, leading to shrinkage, so stick to cold or lukewarm water. A gentle cycle prevents the jersey from undergoing too much agitation, which can also contribute to shrinking.
Drying the jersey.
To prevent shrinkage in the dryer, it's best to air dry your jerseys when possible. If you must use a dryer, use the lowest heat setting or even a no-heat, air fluff setting. Removing the jersey while it's still slightly damp and laying it flat to finish drying can also help prevent shrinkage. That's it, folks. Taking care of your jerseys doesn't have to be complicated. By understanding why shrinkage happens and how to prevent it, you can keep your jerseys looking great for years to come. Remember, the key is to check the care label, wash with cold water on a gentle cycle, and dry with low or no heat. We hope you find these tips useful and that they help your jerseys last longer. Until next time, happy laundering!